Oh my goodness. Check this rig out. Friggin' brights, check out this rig. Ooh, it's got a little dent. We're gonna drill this one. Got 4 undercoatings this morning. I gotta work on the truck. Got an oil leak and brake light out. A couple other things I can't remember right now. Still got this under curtain. This is a nice rig. Still got to do that rig and another one, like a 69 Galaxy or something from Monopoly Man. But a buddy brought me a Hortons, but I quit that kind. So I'm not a big fan of the worms in my bum. But Dickie, surely he loves worms in his bum. All you gotta do is smell the Donecker after he lays a Ricky the cigarette finger into it. Dick brought Hortons, and I don't do that kind. I don't know if you do that kind or not, but
yeah.
Oh,
once in a while.
Oh, are you just totally friggin' breakdancing in there?
No, you just listen to old music.
I apologize. I thought you were gonna bust out some dance moves and shit.
Yeah, right at this age.
Oh my goodness. It worked! Well, I best play tractor then. Yep. Just like that. Oh, great. Lemmy must be posting it on Facebook again. We got friggin' flyovers. That's just wonder words.
The door get caught.
Yeah. Good lord, eh? Huh. This has got like the aftermarket. Oh, what happened? You got to poop? Go use Dickie's Donecker.
Hey, who?
Go use the Donecker.
Donecker?
Yeah.
You got one over there?
You gonna poop that bad?
I got poop. Step.
Oh, I apologize. Holy suffering.
Oh.
Is this all the good stuff?
Yeah. All the little stuff. You don't want to put her out front and
Oh, oil can.
put free on it.
I love oil cans.
There you go.
They're all oily.
Oh. And this one and this one. Every time you use that, you'll think of Grandpa.
Yeah. In case I need to measure stuff. What happened here? Quitting these?
Oh, that's the one you can't adjust the wheels on it. It broke back here. The adjuster broke off.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no. So
But
you quit it.
the engine works good. It's a Honda engine. but you can't adjust the tires, so it's no good. Can't cut the grass.
TJ. Can smell the end of my potentler. Smell the end of my potentler.
Birthday,
Duh.
Dickie. Happy birthday.
Thank you, guys.
A little bag of Brussels sprouts for you.
I'm a soldiersman. Perfect. Okay, now.
What kind of car you it's a 67 Chevelle. I've got a 67 Beaumont. Yeah, nice.
Oh no, polyester shit himself and he's just walking around with it. The neighbor over there has got a big shit stain on his pants and he's just wandering around.
Nice.
Huh.
Well, the old fella?
No, the drunk.
Drunk.
One who likes to drink relentless.
I don't know who everybody is yet.
Polyester.
Yeah.
Careful. Oh, I need a new truck, Tippy. What was I thinking? Oh man, fuckity dick cock shitty bumholes. Well, it took a minute, but I found it. There it is right there. But works now. So scores, but I had to. I mean, I fixed a couple spots, and there's one more around here somewhere that I gotta pay attention to. But yeah, we did it. It was just you know, the solder, whatever, the solder corrosion on the tip. I don't know if you can sense the green chooch. It just like wore through on the stovepipe there. So we fix. It was a hot, miserable son of a bitch of a day, and I found the third brake light wire while we were at it, so I just soldered that guy onto there quick, and then we'll just tape this pile of dicks up. One project out of the way for now, thank frig. Really don't like having the lights discombobulated, and there was a trailer wire fucking frazzled too, so I fixed that. So the trailer lights should all work again now anyways, and then diff things, so it's supposed to be on that accord. But get some friggin' tape and some zip times and a little hike down.
Don't let the watches get you.